Asynchronous JavaScript is a programming paradigm in which certain tasks are executed independently of the main program flow. In traditional synchronous programming, tasks are executed sequentially, one after the other. However, in asynchronous programming, tasks can be executed concurrently, allowing the program to perform multiple operations simultaneously. Asynchronous JavaScript is particularly important for handling tasks that might take some time to complete, such as fetching data from servers, reading files, or performing animations. It prevents the program from becoming unresponsive while waiting for time-consuming operations to finish. Asynchronous techniques. There are several techniques used in JavaScript for handling asynchronous operations. Callbacks. Callbacks are functions that are passed as arguments to other functions and are executed once the asynchronous task is completed. They were one of the earliest ways to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. Promises. Promises were introduced in ES6 as a cleaner alternative to callbacks for handling asynchronous operations. A promise represents the eventual completion, or failure, of an asynchronous operation and allows you to attach callbacks to handle the resolved value or any errors. Async/await. Async/await is a modern and more readable approach to handling asynchronous operations in JavaScript. It is built on top of promises and allows you to write asynchronous code that looks like synchronous code.